Hey guys, it's Mr. Risco10 and today I'm back with another video. Today I am going to be attempting a 10-kilometer hike that is located at Dove Stone Reservoir in Peak District near Greater Manchester. Stay tuned to see how today's hike turns into a fail. So without further ado, let's begin. In the late 19th century, the construction of Dove Stone Reservoir began. This would be an ambitious project that would take 6 years to complete, from 1960 to 1966. The reservoir has a capacity of 1,075 million gallons and a depth of 31 meters or 103 feet. This giant reservoir is owned and maintained by United Utilities. The Dove Stone Reservoir is also responsible for giving Greater Manchester its water supply. About halfway into the 10-kilometer hike, we were forced to turn around because the rocks were too wet and dangerous to cross. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and I will see you next time. Goodbye! Click the bottom video for a similar video to this video. Click the top video to watch a recommended video for you and click the top left circle to subscribe to me. Thanks!